Good morning, students. As you know, we are working on the chapter that is number system, right? As you know, there are four different type of number systems that are acceptable by our computer system. These number systems are decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. As you know, the decimal number system has the base of 10, binary 2, octal, the base of octal number system it is 8, and hexadecimal number system contains 16 different digits, 16 different fundamental digits. So the base value of hexadecimal number it is 16, right? In this converting part, we just completed how to convert a decimal number into binary, how to convert a decimal number into octal, and how to convert a decimal into hexadecimal. Here, for this particular concept, we apply a same method. The method is multiple division, multiple division of the base value of the specific number, right? If you want to convert a decimal number into binary, what we can do? We just divide that particular decimal value by using 2, by using the base value of the binary number. Clear? So, till now we completed decimal, convert the decimal number into others, and also we complete the section reverse side also. Reverse side means we just know how to complete a binary into decimal, how to convert octal into decimal, and also how to convert hexadecimal into decimal number. For that we apply a method that is expand the digit, come towards the rightmost corner of the digit, and here multiply the base value, power of the base value, start from 0 in the increasing order. Clear? Now our today's topic is how to convert binary into octal. Just see this one, binary into octal and octal into binary. It is our today's topic, right? As you know, if you see the octal number system, there are 8 different digits in this number system. Start from 0 and ends at 7, right? 0 to 7, total 8 different fundamental values are there in this octal number system. Here, keep in mind, 8 and 9, these two digits are not available in octal number system. Others, 0 to 7, all these digits are common according to the decimal number system, right? So, if you want to convert any octal number system digit into binary digit, the process is, the method is very first, just read the first line, take help from the octal to binary table. There is a table by which we can convert an octal number into binary. So very first we should know what is octal to binary table, right? Just see, I am going to create the octal to binary table over here. We know that total 0 to 7, total these fundamental digits are there in octal number, and this table belongs to 3-digit binary code. Keep in mind, octal to binary table contains 3-digit binary code. Clear? Now, what is the binary code of 0? It is 000, 3 times 0. Binary code of 0, it is 0 only. But we have to write it in 3 different digits. So I just put 3 times 0 over here. Clear? Binary code of 1, it is 001. Right? Binary code of 2, it is 010. Now the point is, how I can decide that the binary code of 2 it is exact 010? ये कैसे पता चला? Now just see, 2 is there in the decimal number. So we are going to convert a decimal number into binary. What particular process we just do? Just write this 2 inside 2 vertical lines and divide it by 2, because 2 is a decimal number and we are going to convert it into binary. So the base value of binary is 2. We are going to divide that particular number by using 2, right? 2. What is the result? Here 1 is the result, 2 1 2, remainder is 0 only. Clear? So from here, if I select the last result with all the remainders, the result is 10 only. So the binary code of 2, it is 10. Here just write 10, but I have to write in 3 digits. So 010. Right? Now, by the same process, what is the binary code of 3? just write 3 in between these two vertical lines, divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2 and 1 is remainder. So what is the binary code of 3? It is 1 1. Clear out? So 1 1, we have to write it into 3 digits. So I just put 0 1 1. Clear? Now the binary code of 4, it is 100. Binary code of 5 105. These products are according to the particular method only. Binary code of 6, it is 110, and the binary code of 7, the last one, it is 111. If you want to remember the table, just see one magical thing. Total 8 possibilities. If you want to write the table in your copy, total 8 possibilities, just write 0 to 7, and then in this binary part, 4 times 0 at the first point, at the first position 4 times 0, at the last 4 times 1. Clear? If you want to remember it, if you want to know how to create this table, first 4 0, then 4 times 1. Clear? Suppose this table looks like this one. Just wait. If you put 4 times 0, it looks like this one. Right? 4 times 0, then 4 times 1. Now, the binary table contain a logic that the very first point it is 00, 01, 10, 11. Right? Just follow the sequence. 00, 01, 10, 11. Now repeat it. 00, 01, 11, 10, 11. Clear? 0, 1, 10, 11, 0, 1, 10, 11. It is the process by which you can remember this octal into binary table. So here the octal to binary table is available on the board. Just you have to write it in your notebook also. Right? So our first step it is over. Now come towards the second step. Write the binary code of each octal digit. What is this one? Suppose you have to convert 764, it is an octal number, and you have to convert it into binary. Now the very first process, you have to draw the octal to binary table. It is there on the board already. Now the second point, write the binary code of each octal digit. Here 3 different octal digits are there in that particular value. So I just write the code of 7, it is 111. Right? The binary code of 6, it is 110. The binary code of 4, it is 100. So by this we just complete the second process. Write the binary code of each octal digit. These binary codes are derived from the octal to binary table. Clear? Now the third point, attach all binary codes with each other. Now if I want to produce the exact result, I am going to attach these digits with each other like this one. Here it is my answer. Clear? Now just take one fractional digit. Suppose 627.45. It is an octal number, and we have to convert this number into binary. The first step, draw the octal to binary table, or if the table is there in your mind, क्या करना है देखो याद करने के लिए. We just remember the binary code of 0, it is 000. The binary code of 4, it is 100, and the binary code of 7, it is 111. Suppose the binary code of 4, it is there in your mind, 100 is there in your mind. अब आपको क्या करना है, 5 का कोड निकालना. आपने पीछे देखा 2 times 0, अगला क्या लगाओगे, 0, 1, 10, 11. In this sequence only, right? So binary code of 4, it is 100. If you know it, binary code of 5, पीछे 2 digit 2 0 आए. अब आपको क्या करना है, 00 आ चुका है, 0 1 पुट करना है. So 101, 110, 111. These are the binary codes from 4 to 7. Right? Now, if we want to convert this one, it is a fractional digit. We want to convert this one into binary. What we can do? Just write binary codes of each and every octal digit. Very first I take 6. The binary code of 6, it is 110. Then 2, binary code of 2, it is 010. Binary code of 7, it is 111. Then one point is there. Binary code of 4, it is 100. binary code of 5, it is 101. Clear? Binary code of each and every digit is there in the step 1. Now in step 2, just combine these digits with each other. Now our result is 110, 010, here 111, dot 100, then 101. It is the answer. Clear? Now our next topic is how to convert a binary number into its octal equivalent. Clear? In the previous session, we just did how to convert octal into binary. Now in this session, the reverse order, binary into octal. Clear? So for that, these 4 steps we have to follow. The first step is take help from the octal into binary table. Again, the same table is applicable. The table that is there on the board, octal to binary is 0 to 7, and these 8 binary codes are there in front of each value. So, the first step, take help from the octal into binary table. In this scenario, you just look a question like this, 10110. It is a binary value and we have to convert it into octal number. Clear? Binary to octal. Just see the base 2. Here it is 8. Clear? So very first, take the help from the octal into binary table. Chalo help ले लेंगे अपन उस table से. Now the second point, separate the binary value into 3 digits group. Separate the binary value. It is the overall binary value. We have to separate this value into 3 digits group. अब कैसे करें देखो. Suppose this is a binary digit. I am going to write it like this one. Now just start from the rightmost part of the digit, from the right hand side. Just see, from the right hand side, I just take 3 binary digits in a group. Here it is the first group, right? Start from right, just take 3 digits. Now it is in a single group. Then again, here again I am going to create a group of 3 digits, but in the question there are 2 digits only. So what about the third digit? Here, if no third digit is there in the value, just put 0 from your side like this one. Clear? Because we put 0 in front of any value, there is no effect in the overall value. Suppose I just write 7 instead of 7. If I write 0, 7, both are same. There is no effect in the overall value. So here we just put 0. Now the second point is completed. Separate the binary value into 3 digits group. The first group, it is the second group. 2 groups are created in this question. Now just come to the third part. Write the octal digit of every group. Octal digit of every group. Now just take the group number 1. Here the binary value is 110. 110 is the binary code of 6. Right? From this octal to binary table, we just know the binary value 110, its octal code is 6. So I just write 6 over here. Now come towards the second group. Here the group value is 010. Just try to find out 010. It is a binary code of 2. So against this group I just write 2. So this point, the third step is completed. Now come to the fourth step. At last combine all octal digits. When we are going to combine it, the result is there. 26 raised to 8. It is the result. Done. Just read out these 4 points again. Very first, take the help from the octal to binary table. Second, separate the binary value into 3 digits group. Now, while creating the group, while making the group, you should follow right to left direction. Clear on? Right to left direction. Now, write the octal digit of every group and at the last combine all the digits. Now, we just take a fractional digit. Just look another example. 101011.1011. It is a binary value and we have to convert it into octal number system. Right? the first step, just separate the digit 1 0 1 0 1 1 point 1 0 1 1. Here it is the actual value, actual digit, actual binary value, right? Now in the fractional part, just keep in mind, hold the decimal point. This is the decimal point, hold it, and while creating the group, you just create groups from right to left like this one. It is the first group and it is the second group. Clear? Hold the decimal, and from the decimal point you have to follow this direction, and the fractional part you have to follow this direction. Means if you want to create groups of the value that is there after the decimal, you just follow the direction left to right. Clear? So here left to right, my first group is this one and my second group is this one. Here only one is there, but we have to create 3-digit group. What we can do? We just put 2 0 at the last of the digit. It is just same. If you write 10.5 in decimal number, 10.5 is as same as 10.50. It is as same as 10.500. So at the last, if we put 0, there is no effect in the result, right? So this is our first group. 0 1 1. It is a binary code of 3. 1 0 1. It is a binary code of 5. Then here a decimal point, then this one 1 0 1, it is a binary code of 5. 100, it is a binary code of 4. Now at the last, combine this digit 53.54 raised to 8. It is the answer. Clear? Just take one more example. Now the example is this one. This is the example, this is the binary value, and we have to convert it into octal, right? Very first part, just write it 1 1 1 0 1. Write it again, 0.101110. This is the actual digit. Hold the decimal part. This is the decimal point. Just hold it and create the groups from this direction. First group. Here it is second group. Now 1 is remaining, just put 2 0 from your side, it is the third one. Clear? Then after the decimal part, we have to move according to this direction, left to right direction. So after the decimal, the very first group is this one, the second group is this one, and the 0, just put 2 0 from your side, it is the third group. Clear? Now 1 0 1, it is a binary code of 5. 0 1 1, it is a binary code of 3. 0 0 1, it is a binary code of 1. Point 1 0 1, check it, 1 0 1, binary code of 5. 1 1 0 6 0 0 0, it is 0. Clear? Now at the last, combine these digits. 135.560 raised to 8, it is the answer. Clear all? I hope the concept is clear in your mind. Thank you.